Yes, hello guys. Now today we are going to be talking about Google Bard. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about new AI now, which is for Google, which is called the Google Bard. Nowadays, AI are increasing, and also we used to know ChatGPT. There's ChatGPT 3, ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4. Also, we have now Google Bard that you can be using. So now there is also unique difference between Google Bard and ChatGPT, where you can be seeing that you can be able to talk to it by using voice like a human. Then it responds to your questions. So it is going also to be providing the information that you want. So now we're going to be exploring how now you can be accessing this Google Bard and how does it work. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, Normax TV, subscribe today or like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Normax TV. Maybe you're asking yourself, how can we be accessing this Google Bard and how is it different from ChatGPT? So this is what you're going to be doing now, and you will see if you have been also done using ChatGPT, you can see the difference between ChatGPT 4, maybe 3, and also 3.5 with Google Bard. So to access Google Bard, now you have to come to a browser. You can see I opened my browser. I can type Google Bard. Now I can type Google Bard. If you type Google Bard, also you type Bard, you're not even to get it for the same information. Now let me click here. So as you can see, I got now the platform which is called bard.google.com. Now this means that you can see Bard is your creative and helpful. You see now it's a chatbot which is also made by Google. You can see. Yes, you can see. Here's a chart which is also now a model developed by Google, and also it is Google AI that also have been now published also done, which is going to be working in the same way as ChatGPT. Also now let's see how can we explain this. If you want to use this Google Bard, you now have to click here on this link. You can say I have sign in. You can say have or join the white list. You can say use Bard, where you can use Bard. Now we can read all this information. You can see Bard is available in the 3 languages, over 180 countries now. And also if you want to use this one, you have to click on it and use it in the way you want. And you can see that you need to use it also as another application that you use also in other you can see in other Google products. You need also to have a Gmail account. You can see I'm using this one also. I get directed immediately to this page because I have also been using this Google Bard a few hours ago. And now you can be seeing now I have page that can be able to use this Google Bard. You can see I have Gmail here which is logged in. Now you need to be signed in to use this one. And you can see now this part, and you can see there is experiment here, which shows that maybe now in experiment. As you can see, now let me click here on bad activity, which is the unique also something which is going to be doing here. It will be able to store your history that on your Gmail account so that you can be able to access them. If I click on bad activity, you can see I'm going to be opening those data on my account, my Google account, which means I can get everything I browsed recently on my Google account. So you can see you have now to come here and type something that I want to be typing if I want to be using this Google Bard. Now, for example, type what happened yesterday in the evening around the world, which is known by everyone. So this is now somewhat tricky question, but also I will be seeing what is going to be happening. Now it is going to be generating the answers that also you see. You can see there was no major event that happened yesterday evening and around the world that is known by everyone. My knowledge are from books that were published in 1978 and 1983 respectively. The event described now you can see it is now also giving the time that also it can be explaining something. Now, if you see now, this is the question that I asked, and also which is for yesterday. If I want to be asking, for example, I want to ask something. For example, what are the laws of business management courses? So if I click now this, you can see I ask it now some more questions which are not tricky because it's going to be also providing the alerts of business management courses. It is not going to be hard like this one, which is asking it for yesterday's skills. As you can see now, to display the skills, as you can see here. Now you can see business management courses can prepare students for a variety of careers in a business. You can see what you can see now, it also have the option that you can be googling this. If I click on this, I can google it and see the related searches to this matter. I can see lots of business management courses. What is the main purpose of business management courses? What is the scope? You can see now it's going to be redirecting you to Google. So now what I can do, let me also ask it any other question. What are the social media management skills? You see now I asked it the social media management skills, what are they? And it is going to be responding to it. So as you can see, now you can see also to start now to provide all the information that I need about social media management. And also you can see it has the option that you can be uploading. You can see you can export your response into doc. You can see if I click here export into doc, also I can draft it in my Gmail account, which is the best thing. Now I can let it whether you are happy with the feedback or not. You see now it has the feature which is here. You can see which is microphone, which means that you can even use your voice. If you click here and use your voice, also you can be able to speak. If you are not able to type or if you are not feeling comfortable in typing, you can be able to use your voice and ask questions to this now Bard AI for Google or by Google. Now it's going to be generating the responses for you. It's going to be generating the answers for you, and you get them about what you want. So now let's come back to another question. For example, I want to ask advice. So I can ask Schubert, I want to start the social media marketing business, but I don't have any idea about this. Have any idea about what I can do? Can you advise me and provide with all the necessary steps and requirements for this project? Yes, you see now I ask you this question. Now it is generating this answer. Now you can see it is generating this response. As you can see now, I have to edit this response to get also feedback from this part. So you see now it's a broad question. Now what it is going to be telling me now? Sure, I can help you with that. Here are some steps you can take to start a social media marketing business. You can see they ask you choose niche, do research, create a portfolio, network, offer free trials for the people to know you, set realistic expectations, be patient. Also, now you can see here are some additional requirements that you may need: computer internet connection, social media marketing software, a website, a business license, insurance, also marketing materials. As you can see now, it's going to be giving you all the hit of the information you wanted, and also from there you can based on them and find out the other information. Now you can say bar may display inaccurate information or a false information that does not represent Google view. Now you need to be also reading everything here so that you will be not be complaining that bar give you the given information I don't want. Also you need to be sure that you have read everything here. Now let's see now it has also darker mode feature that you can be uh looking here, if I click here now, it can be turning into dark mode if you don't like that, you don't like rain mode, or also if you have eye issues. Now this we can be helping you. Now as you can see, I can come back to right to now to the live mode, and also this is how can be using now this bar, and this so this how it will be working. And also you can be asking it for code. Now let me show you. Uh, can I get the website, this homepage for code? Now I ask it now to provide me with the code that I can be using somewhere. So if I type there, it is going to be generating the code that I can be using. Now let me wait for and see what is going to be providing with me. So you can see it say open the website in your web browser. I click on the empty space on the page, selecting view page source from the menu. The website homepage code will be displayed in your window. You can also now you can see it is giving you the directions. So now you can even ask it, I want to design website. I want to design the website, but I want you to give me the HTML code that will design my my homepage. Now let's see this question, if it is going to be giving also different meaning. As you can see, the one I'm going to be asking this bar also is going to be giving you the answer depending on how you ask it this bar. Is as you know, ChatGPT, depending on how you ask it, it is going to be giving you the answer depending on how you ask it. And as you can also see, now to give me the color also which is here, and also to give you the sources of those codes. And you can see it shows you some sources are subject to license, and you need to be sure of this leading this in, so that you not be using the someone's code without having checked. And also you can base on this code, and also you can be sure to learn according to by here, and you can start here and learn everything you want to be learning. So now this is how you can be asking also and using part also for getting information. As you can see also, the way you use ChatGPT, they use this part also will be the same, and so you can be waiting for the difference. And also the best thing of this part is that it will be easily to be integrated in other Google uh, workplaces, also workspaces. You can go also, it will be able now to be accessing other workspaces if we want, which means we can be integrating it with other Google workspaces and be able to use this part. So now thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV, turn notification button so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Nomax TV. Also, let's meet in next video while talking about how Bard or Google Bard AI is different from ChatGPT 4. Now let's be talking about that in the next video. Remember to subscribe also in the comment if you have any suggestion or issue.